Oh my God, you are so heavy. Don't say that to your wife. Are you stoked for your summer trip to Europe, but not necessarily the pain in the ass of packing? You're in luck. In today's video, I'm sharing 12 items that are worth the suitcase space to take the stress and the guesswork out of packing. By the end of this video, you're gonna feel 100% confident that you've got every base covered and you're ready to roll. Hi ladies, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Shelli Pelly and I am a lifelong beauty and style connoisseur who has traveled the world extensively. By both overpacking and underpacking numerous times, I've narrowed it down to 12 essential items to pack for Europe that hit just the right sweet spot. Let's do it. Europe writ large, especially London, Paris, Florence, Milan, are fashion capitals of the world, and it can feel just a little bit intimidating at first. Not to worry. Regardless of whether you're a luxury traveler or middle of the road, you're going to embark upon some level of exploring and walking around. That means you must have comfortable, chic clothing. There are so many affordable options nowadays, there's no reason to do this. Think floaty skirts, dresses, loose trousers, breezy button downs, nice t-shirts, lightweight scarves, and open cardigans as easy layering pieces. If you plan on visiting churches and or religious sites, know that there's usually a dress code involved. That usually means cover your shoulders and or your knees. If you're wearing a floaty sleeveless maxi like this, super cute, but this is when you're going to want to throw a lightweight scarf over your shoulders like a shawl so that you can enter the establishment. I always, without fail, packed a few pieces that can serve double duty. Day to evening outfits. Chic for day, easily elevates to the evening with just a simple swap. I personally opt for a selection of maxi dresses and jumpsuits. They're effortless, stylish, and transition easily from day into evening with 1 to 2 easy swaps that take up virtually zero suitcase space. You're picture perfect for a casual evening. Key point for European dressing, y'all. Overall, it can be described as a less is more philosophy. Easy, well-constructed pieces that are simple to wear and move well. Plus, remember that Europe is full of cobblestone streets. Now picture yourself in stilettos bedazzled head to toe. Enough said. I pack minimal accessories that pack a punch. 1 statement earring, 1 statement necklace, 1 cobblestone appropriate heel, 1 lightweight scarf, and my favorite dark lip color as an option. These pieces take up virtually no space but provide lots of simple styling options. It's nothing more than the ability to simply kick up a look with little to no effort. You want a hands-free option, especially during the day. That means either a crossbody or a backpack depending on your personal preference and what you're going to be doing. I am a crossbody person because it makes me nervous having all my valuables on my back where I can't see them. However, if you're planning all-day excursions and you want to pack a water bottle, a swimsuit, an extra change of clothes, a backpack is obviously going to fit that bill. Listen, y'all, even if you think that it's going to be super hot, trust me, you're going to want the option. A lightweight sweater and or a lightweight jacket. Weather can change. Just like in the United States, certain parts can be super hot, other spots can be very chilly. I always take a very lightweight sweater that I stuff into my tote for the plane ride over, and in the case of London, which we are going to in a couple weeks, I take a very lightweight spring knee-length trench coat just in casesies. Feet get tired of wearing the same comfy shoe every single day. Plus, it's not going to have the opportunity to rest, breathe, and sort of repuff the padding in the shoe, so it's not going to be as comfortable. Most important, be sure to walk around town in your designated comfortable shoes. This is not the time to buy a comfortable pair, walk around the house for a couple minutes and go, these are great. Of course I did this. No joke. I was wearing my brand new pair of cute nude lug sole loafers and I had blisters so bad. Oliver had to piggyback carry me to the Uber all the way back to the hotel, carried me all the way up to the room. By the way, the whole time going, oh my God, you are so heavy. Don't say that to your wife. You spent months and months planning your trip, excited to see all the beautiful sights, and then low battery. No! Most people don't think about bringing a portable charger in their bag. This is going to keep your phone fully charged for long sightseeing days and traveling between cities for your next destination. Pop it into your bag and you'll always have it. Trust me, you will love that one. You can't plug your American phone charger or your hairdryer into European outlets, so buying an international adapter is an easy, inexpensive purchase that you'll want to pick up before you travel. They're super inexpensive, so be sure to buy a handful of them. Tape your adapter charger to your device's plug with electrical or duct tape. Why? You'll avoid accidentally leaving it behind in the hotel wall. How many times have I done that? Hotels often have a big, huge box of abandoned adapters, so if you need one, just ask them. Headphones, an absolute must, especially for a transatlantic flight. At some European museums, you can even sync your headphones for enhanced audio of the tour. We always work out first thing in the morning when we're on vacation, so having my AirPods and my favorite playlist queued up just gets me excited and kind of ready for the day. The most lightweight portable piece that you can take that takes up pretty much zero space. A scarf or a shawl. Use it as a layering piece for warmth, on-demand coverage when visiting religious sites, and certainly as an amazing style accessory to bump up anything that you're wearing. I personally choose long, oblong scarves, usually about 72 inches long is about the sweet spot. They're super easy to wrap around your neck, and in my opinion, they're more chic than a shawl. A shawl always reads little old lady to me, or maybe that's my stuff. But isn't it true that it's usually the little things that you forget and go, dang it? That's why we call this a checklist. Sunscreen, sunglasses, hat. At this point, sunscreen should be as natural as brushing your teeth. I personally take SPF 50. I have one for my face and the rest for my body. Sunglasses and a hat are obviously not only super stylish, they protect your eyes, face, and head from the direct effects of the sun. Duh. Make sure that your sunglasses are UV protective. Some styles look great, but they're really just meant to look cute. They're not meant to protect your eyes. Double check that you've got UV protection on your sunglasses. A dip in the pool, the ocean, or just relaxing and chilling, you're gonna want a swimsuit, a cover-up, and a pair of slides for wearing down to the pool or the beach. The other thing that you're gonna wanna know about is what to wear on the plane for the flight over, so be sure to check out my next video, travel outfits anybody can wear, and until a couple days from now, safe travels, and I'll see y'all soon.